Welcome to the Discrete Structures for Engineering syllabus video. I will be your host for this video and your lecturer for the course, Dr. Avi Steiner. That's me. In this video, I'm going to be going over some logistical things for the course. However, I won't be going over everything. There are some very important things that I will not be saying in this video, and those very important things can be found in the overview on OWL or in the course outline. Read the overview page on OWL. Some very important things are going to be on this page, and as I said earlier, I'm not going to be talking about everything there. Same goes for the course outline. The textbook for this course is the Discrete Math textbook on zyBooks. You will need to follow these instructions to access the zyBooks. I'll do a short zyBooks demonstration later in this video. Clicking course content once will open a menu with the currently available lesson pages showing. Clicking again will bring us to the main course content page. Here you'll find a course overview and a tentative schedule. Note that it is tentative, which means that it is subject to change. Let's go to week 1. Here you'll see the learning outcomes, what you have to do this week, any readings you need to do, and homework. There will be 3 types of homework for this course: participation activities on zyBooks, challenge activities on zyBooks, and written homework submitted using Gradescope. In this section, I'm just going to be talking about the first 2, participation activities and the challenge activities. The first thing I want you to notice is the red text that I have here. Starting week 2, the participation activities are due 11 a.m. the morning of each lecture. What that means is that you're going to need to do the reading before the lecture. The idea is during the lecture, I'm going to be doing a little bit of review about what was in the chapter or the section that I just had you read. I'm going to do some example problems, and I'm going to have you guys work some problems in class in real time and give you guys feedback. On the other hand, challenge activities are due 10 p.m. every Friday evening, including this week. That begs the question, what are these participation activities and challenge activities? Well, they're in the zyBook. So the first thing we're going to do is let's open the zyBooks. Click that. Now this is the Instructor View, but it looks very similar to what your textbook is going to look like. So here we have the chapter or the section. This starts here in 1.1, and if you want to go to the outline, so here you can access section 1.1, 1.2, and so on. Let's go back to section 1.1. Participation activities are labeled like this: participation activity. They are there to help you determine if you've understood the reading. It'll give you immediate feedback, and in particular, this is only graded for completion. Again, participation activities are just graded for completion. Challenge activities are like this, and they're supposed to be slightly harder. There's also additional exercises. Some of them I will allow you to see the solution, some of them I won't. These exercises may at some point be used in homework that me or the TAs will be grading and will be later submitted to Gradescope. Others are just there for additional exercises for you to work on. I highly encourage you to go through all of these exercises and do them. Finally, there's going to be the written homework. There's going to be 4 of them, and they're going to be used to test your proofwriting. The first one won't be assigned for a few weeks, so I will tell you more about those when it gets closer.